Hi, welcome back. Today's Squardle, 25th of April. Just jump straight into it. We'll start with snare, which I've been using to start with quite a bit recently. Got an E in the right place there. There's an A down here somewhere. There's an N, which could be there. So it could be something N-A. There's an S over here somewhere. Well, actually, this could be, it could start. Well, actually, but it could even be snare. I doubt if it is. All right, there you go. Starts with an S. There's an N. The N is there. The N is there. E-N-E. Enemy. I can't think of anything. Another word. Enemy. Oh, wow. Right, so got that one quite quickly. We're back by here now. We've got an S by here. We've got an E. There's an A in it somewhere. The A, well, I guess, is either starts with an A or it's going to be there. There would probably be the better one, so we'll say haste. Oh, and the haste is in as well. Oh, right. Well, that was a bit of luck. We've got an S across. Oh, we've got an S down here. We've got an A, which is going to be there. So that's going to be S-A. We've got no other letters at the moment, but there. The N isn't there, so it's S-A. S-A. Oh, we could try and guess this one by here as well, actually. If I could think of a five-letter word, S-A something E. Sable. All right, there's a few. Right, so that L is going to be there. Oh, the L. Oh, right, that L is correct. There's going to be an L there. As you can see, it's pointing up and down, and as we've already got that T there, that means that's an L. There's an S, which is going to be one of these two. That A and that A are done. And we're doing this word across the bottom at the moment. So it could start with an S and it's going to end something L-Y. And that word is going to be Sally. No, sadly. And that would be Y. Y something Y. I can't look. A word, Y something Y. Yay. And there's no E in it. I need to put a word in here somewhere, don't I? Let's try silly just to see if the S is in the right place, which it is. No, oh, and there's an L there. And that could be, if that was a Y, why did I think that was a Y just now? But that could be sad. If it was a, why did I think it was a Y? Can't see why I thought it was a Y. Right, don't know. I'll be back by here. So there's no A, there is an S, or we've got the S. How was maybe there's a U in it. So the U is, or it could be either. It could start HU, it could end US. If it was ending US, it would probably be H something OUS. Wait. I'm going to put sadly, and I can't actually think why I thought that was going to end in a Y. But sadly is right. Oh, that's going to be slyly. And that's an I in there. that I has to go in there now. So that's something ID. ID, there's no L. Ridge. Oh, right, it's wrong. Oh, doing the wrong one now. Slightly. So we're back here. So if this was ridge, which is a good enough guess, I'd imagine this would be H something R US or H Hertz, HURTS. No, but it starts HU. That's not ridge now. There's no way. Fudge. Euphus. No. Hubris, is it? No, it's hubris, isn't it? It's not hubris. Humus. There's definitely. Oh, that would be two U's. Humus. That would be midge. It's a type of fly, I think, isn't it? Midge is right. And so that is humus, which I believe is HUMUS, not OS. 6 minutes done. 3 guesses left. Pretty good time for me. I was a bit lucky with a couple of words. I'm not sure why I thought that was a Y. I can't even remember why I thought it was a Y, but it worked out. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.